Okay. It's been about 20 minutes since my last video. And I was talking about the lady in the pink, or man, or whatever she is. If you can see now, she's just sitting there in view. I guess she's doing some hard, cold weather, digging in the dirt, playing in the dirt, when it's fucking 40 degrees outside, when you could just wait till this afternoon and it warms up, when it's 75. But no, I'm sitting here, so she's observing me. She's sitting there making sure that I see her, she sees me, and she's not filming, she's just watching. So it's funny. Looks like she's whatever's happening, it's funny. What the fuck is she doing over there? Really, that's almost hilarious. The puns and jokes that I could make about that. But anyways, we'll check in. I still got a little while to sit here to charge. So I'm kind of a YouTube conspiracy junkie. So oh, this guy coming up the street. Look at this guy here. Look at this guy. This guy's a homeless guy. He's crazy as a freaking football bat. Okay, where is he? Okay. Come on, guy. Where is he at? Where'd you go at? Okay, there he is. Hello, guy. Okay, see? You can hear him talking to himself. But he will sneak into your camp, go into your cooler, and drink your drinks, eat your food. So I personally don't like people that steal. I'm not a thief anymore. Used to be when I was doing drugs, not anymore. I haven't stolen anything in a long time. And I normally get violent when someone steals, but when I found out that the guy was sneaking into E, I couldn't do nothing to him. So I just started locking it up. I didn't say anything, and I'm just leery of them, that's all. I can't really be mad about somebody that's hungry. But yeah, I'm still sitting there. But I get back.